Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi K30S and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. One of this is the straighten button here, so this is our leveler here. By just one tap we can turn it on and another tap to turn it off, and the yellow color, as you can see, suggests us that this is turned on now, so let's stay on this. And the leveler appears here with this line, so this is useful, for example, when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. And of course, when we don't need this, we can easily go back to the settings in the right corner, tap on this button once again, and for now the leveler has gone here. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.